Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everyone had a wonderful weekend. It is June 16th, and beautiful day here in New York once again, and looks like a lovely, active, surprisingly Monday morning, which we usually don't have. I came back from Vegas. I'd like to thank Option Monster for having a wonderful event. I know that a lot of, there were a few of you that did come to the event. Spectacular event that happened on Friday and Saturday. You know, time to time, when you guys get the opportunity, you know, always try to come to these events because they really, yes, Steve, was great. Nice time in Vegas. The thing about it is that when we have these opportunities, try to make some plans to come there. I know that here at Cybertrade University, we are actually going to be planning a workshop. I know we do it here in New York, but we're planning a workshop. I think we're going to probably shoot for November, right before the Traders Expo. So if everybody's going to be planning on, learning a little bit more, it looks like we're actually focusing on doing a planning of doing an event there, and I think that would be great for a lot of you. It's a great opportunity. I don't think you need to sell anybody who doesn't want to go to Vegas. It's like it's an adult Disney World for all of us. So we'll let you guys know. All right. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, I know that you guys had a really good time with Rich on Friday. I heard the great news about the KPTI. You know, we've been tweeting and texting it. It's on the downtrend right now, but that's not my concern. My concern is looking at this stock, and it just did not stop from $25 to $47. Okay? So, I mean, is it that big of a run? Well, listen, we find $4 stocks that go to $8. You know, this just moved a hell of a lot more points. You know what I mean? So it was a fun stock. A lot of money to be made. Who did well on this stock? Who traded it? Because you had opportunities to trade it all day. I mean, don't tell me that you couldn't have got in at all. Hell of a nasty shake, though, I could see right around here. It was pretty easy, I could tell. I saw right here in the morning, and then it had that pop. But I know you could see right here, I mean, I would have been done right around the $30 price range, right around here. But you could see it got pretty nasty right around here. A lot of nasty shakes. Deborah, you made about $4 on it. Mark, you did well. That's great, man. That's really great. I love to see you guys did well on it. But let's not harp over it now. Listen, whatever happened in the past is not indicative of the future. Widespread, Rich told me not to trade as a beginner. Tracy, that's absolutely right. You know, in phase one, you know, when we go over the classes, you know, we talk about what level you're at, and if you're not at that level, you do not want to trade a stock that's not at that level. Mark, great job. You made about $2.5. I mean, listen, $2.5. That is a ridiculous amount of money on 1,000 shares, Mark. You know, granted, the stock went up almost 25, points. And I always tell everyone, you know, it's funny, I was doing this presentation in Las Vegas, and I was telling people that great traders never buy at the bottom and sell at top. Actually, the worst traders buy at the bottom and sell at top because they keep trying to buy at the bottom and selling at top. And it's not how many times you bought it there, it's how many losers you had. Great traders always buy in between, always. You know, the worst traders buy at the bottom and top because they're so focused on it, and for every one they get, they have a lot more losers than winners. So anyway, let's go shopping and see what's moving. There's one big stock that you probably noticed that I had up on there. A lot of you guys should remember this stock. This was our beautiful little winner over in the past couple of days ago. This stock was a $3 stock. It ran all the way to $7. It was up over 100%. And guess what? She's on the move again today. The ACHN, breaking new highs. Okay, you got to go back and look at some resistance levels on the intraday. Go back 2-3 days. You could see. Wait, I lost my mouse. There it is. All right, we got some resistance levels right around here, around the 762, and then obviously around the 870. So just keep focused on those high frequency trades, and you'll be fine. But that's not just the real big winner out there. The real big winner is Blue. Bluebird is the real big winner. Huge winner, up 68%. One concern: it's not tradable that much. I mean, it's on a downtrend. I personally think, from what I can see right now, it's probably a short because it's downtrending in the pre-market. But Blue is a level 4 stock. Once again, if you're not in the levels at 4, stay away from it. But Dara also made the big news. Now this one, very tradable stock. Dara, a lot of you guys should remember this stock. We traded this stock back in May. It went from $1.10 to $2.30, up over 100% on the day. We made a killing on this. For some of you, remember that, okay? Well, guess what? Dara is also on the move, and she is a level 1 stock. How great news is that? That means all of you could trade it. So put Dara. That one right now is my favorite stock that I liked. I also have the ACHN, but be careful, ACHN. I think it's more of a level 2 stock as of right now. TWTC, another big winner. We traded this stock. You could see it was a pretty big winner as of Friday. You know, another very nice, slow, steady stock, but it is on the expensive side. There's probably a level 3 stock, okay? But I am putting on my watch list. Very surprising. Mondays have been really, really interesting. This one also is a very nice stock, LLCW. On the pre-market's on a downtrend. It peaked out right around 355 because it did test that major resistance levels back here. You could see it going back on 619. But she is a tradable stock, and I am going to watch it. I'm going to put it on my list. And here's another a nice little winner stock also, up 21,000 shares in pre-market. ARWR, that made the Fausto list, special list. All right, I think I'm done about there. ISIS is nice, but a little bit faster. Gale, I'm going to put Gale on there. Gale is a level 1 stock. Like that one also. All right, let's go hop over here on the losers. Is there any good things on the losers? Nope, don't really see anything that jumps out on me. On the New York Stock Exchange, here's a stock that up huge, but she's on a downtrend. She is a short, all right, even though she's up 29%, but COV is a short, you know, from what it looks like. FIO, look at that. FIO, we've traded this stock the last couple of days. Well, guess what? Stock was a buyout. Okay, there it goes. So you can see it. It's too late. I don't know if anyone held it overnight, but we've been trading this stock for the last couple of days. You could see it right here. We traded on Thursday. We did phenomenal on it. You know, who the hell knew it was going to be a buyout, right? Well, there's plenty more out there, so don't worry about that. Was that Williams-Sonoma? No, Williams Coast. This one also, but it's a level 3, level 4 stock. WMB. Do like it. Great trend. On an uptrend. That made the Fausto list. This one also, very nice stock, up 31 cents, 6%. This one's really, really nice. The NCT. This one is more of a level 1, level 2 type of stock. All right, so that pretty much does it on the stock list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, 10, like we used to. Robert says FIO and COV a buyout. See, okay, well that answers that. So COV is off our list. Okay, thanks for sharing that, Rob. So we got 9 stocks. Very big list for a Monday morning, but that's a very good list. You know, a lot better than some other days that I've seen. So let's try to work together. I'm going to tweet these. I'm going to text these. Guys, don't forget this week, okay? Phase 1 is going to be starting. So I don't know who here, for some of you, you know you're allowed to retake the class, all right? So if you have not registered for that retake, it's going to bring it up here, and just remember, just click on events. And right here, phase 1 starts tomorrow, okay? So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, phase 1. If you make sure you register and retake the class, it's a 100-page lesson planner. I know some of you guys were complaining that, or I did some changes and you missed the last phase 1, but I talk about the levels. This is where we do it. All right, so let's make sure you guys get that all taken care of and you get into that class. All right, everyone, listen. Good luck. Let's make some money. Let's enjoy a happy week. I'm back, and let's kick some butt. All right, guys? Happy trading today.